Hey guys, it's James and I'm back, and today I have a review for the Silverstone AR-06. This is a pretty nice looking low profile CPU cooler that Silverstone offers. It has a nice white and blue design for the low profile 92mm fan that also rests on the copper heat pipes and aluminum fins. The supported sockets for Intel are the LGA 1155, 1156, and 1150, and for the AMD side we see socket AM2, AM3, FM1, and FM2. Now, the difference between this model and its older brother, the AR-05, the AR-06 has bigger aluminum fins and 2 additional heat pipes, and while that does mean a little more bulk for the cooler, it would also deliver some pretty dope temperature drops aside from my stock cooler. For those who don't know already, I went from the Corsair H60 to the stock cooler and then the AR-06. I didn't really get to test the temps for the H60 because of some serious clearance issues and pipe bending that I really wasn't digging, and the stock cooler was just way too damn loud and annoying on the days I game without a headset on. So I'm sure some of you may want to know what the temps were looking like coming from a stock cooler to this, but we'll come back to that in a minute. Now it's time for the build. Instead of using the thermal paste that came with the cooler, I used some spare Arctic Silver 5 I had left over. I ran the Intel Extreme benchmarking utility and was capping out at 81 degrees Celsius with the stock Intel cooler. I saw a 20-degree drop switching to the AR-06, and this was before the Arctic Silver had cured, so I'm pretty happy with these numbers and the quiet it comes with. If you're thinking about doing a mini ATX build, I suggest picking up one of these. Definitely a good looking and well working product for about $40. Links will be in the description if you want to check those out. Thumbs up this video if you found it helpful, guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.